Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Pranav Tech. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to receive videos as they are uploaded. Today I am going to show you sites that pay you to write articles, that is $50 and above. So and I'm also going to show you a method by which you can write articles quite quickly. So first let me show you the method by which you can write articles quite quickly. The site is speechnotes.co. You see how easy it is to write articles. I'll click on the microphone. The site is speechnotes.co. https speechnotes.co. The site is speechnotes.co. I'll click on the microphone button. I'll click on allow. Now I am typing period. My name is Pranay Kumar, period. I am making a YouTube video, period. You see how easy it is to write, period. By this you can write quite easily, period. By this you can write an 500-word article in about 2 minutes, period. You see there are no mistakes, period. Oh, the first mistake. Anyway, you have got to correct them. There are a few mistakes, you have got to correct them. But even with the mistakes, you can write quite quickly as the mistakes are quite few, period. You see how easy it is to write a 500-word article or a 1,000-word article or a 1,500-word article in about 2 to 10 minutes. You have also got to correct them. For that, you need an extension called Grammarly. This is Grammarly. I'll show you how to install it. It is Grammerly, Grammarly Chrome. And then you go to this website, chromegoogle.com, Grammarly. And you can install from here. I've already installed it. And when you write anything, it will show you if there is any grammatical mistakes, like I am writing here a movie ticket. Okay, so I'll show you on Facebook. I'll go to Facebook. I'll write something out here. I went today. I'll make a spelling mistake. To a movie. Let's see. There are two mistakes. Three mistakes. There should be a capital I. Today and movie. So you see, this is how Grammarly works. Leave. Now, having said this, now I'll show you the sites by which you can earn money. The first site is listverse.com. LISTVERSE listverse.com. Now, yeah, you must have seen articles that are list based, like I'll show you an example in Bazaar. Top 10 murder mysteries that went unsolved for years. 10 surprisingly common ways to die in your sleep. Well, I won't write that anyway. 10 weirdest exorcism stories. 10 things you may not have known about the land of the Pangaea. 10 strange societies that you have probably never heard of. You see, you can search the net for such articles. You can compile a list, write it in your own words, and you can submit out here. You get $100 upon acceptance. The second site is Top 10s. It is also list based. I will show you. Let's go to Bazaar. Extreme stories of weight challenges and weight loss. Top 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies in 2018. The Bunny Man myth or reality. 10 depressing facts about popular days of the year. The stories of Mexico infamous island of dogs. So most are list based. They pay you $50 per article upon being accepted. The third site is Funds for Writers. Okay, now this site is top10s.net. TOPTENZ.net. The third site is Funds for Writers. FUNDSFORWRITERS fundsforwriters.com. Now if you are into writing and you want to help other writers, this is the site for you. You can help other writers to write, and they pay $50 per accepted article. They pay you by PayPal or check, whichever way you accept. They pay you $50 for unpublished original articles and $15 for reprints. That is the article which, your own article which you have published elsewhere. The fourth site is photoshoptutorials.ws. photoshoptutorials.ws. In this site, they pay you $50 for a quick tip and $150 to $300 for a full tutorial. A quick tip or a full tutorial. If you write a full tutorial, you earn anywhere between $115 to $300. The fifth site is a list apart. Now in this site also you can write articles. I'll show you the articles out here. They are about web designing, application development, HTML, JavaScript, graphic designing, etc. They pay you $200 per accepted article. You have got to write between 600 to 2500 words depending upon the subject complexity. 1500 words is the average article. You can email them your submission. You can submit as Google Documents, that's what they prefer. And they will review your article, and once it is accepted, they will pay you a $200 per article. So these were the sites by which you can earn money by writing. Best of luck for your writing endeavor. Have a very nice day. This is Pranay Kumar from Pranav Tech signing off. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to receive videos as they are updated, as they are uploaded. Thank you. Have a very nice day.